Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor. Let's do a market analysis. Where are the markets? I know we've been open for quite some time, for about 45 minutes, and I apologize for being a little late to do this video. I was just focusing on AMC and doing my videos there. As you can see, AMC is having a good run up. Anyway, coming back to the markets, the SPYs, the last few days, it's been starting off like an inside day. An inside day, as you know, does not make me feel very comfortable, and it doesn't give me that room to the downside that of a dollar that I want usually. And so I'm a little hesitant to take downside plays very quickly because some headwinds, right? The lows of recent swings, the low of the day, not being a dollar, they give me headwinds. So I usually am a little hesitant to enter those. To the upside, we have a lot of room, but we're not there yet. But to the upside, the Qs are really the strongest today. The Qs kept pushing, but there was a headwind. There was a headwind that I marked here as resistance from quite some time ago. So it might be easier if I just turn to an hourly chart and marked some liquidity there from a while ago, and we're coming up to that. So usually when we come up to something like that, I'm not in a hurry to enter those positions because, again, I'm not feeling like there's that dollar move that I want. Therefore, I don't take the trade. So from the 341.70 area to this liquidity 342.20, it's about a 50 cents move. So I'm not in a hurry. Now, with that said, we broke out of that liquidity. Anybody who went long got manipulated out with this bar, and anybody who went short, we shall see, they could potentially be manipulated out. And what I want to see is price test this liquidity and boom to the upside. That would be a fantastic entry to the upside. So that is what I am going to look for an entry. Outside of that, no real hurry. And to the downside, we have to clear the low of Friday and then maybe retest it and look for other opportunities. See if I have a dollar move here that I can target, especially if I started somewhere up here, then I have that dollar move. So that's how I'm going to look at the Qs. IWM kind of started weak and it continued that weakness. Let me erase some of this drawing here. And from that weakness, it, twice it tested the high of Friday, the close of Friday, very close to it. And now it seems like it kind of want to push up and test VWAP. We shall see what it does around the VWAP area. Again, our strong entry would be it tests the VWAP and come back down and see if we have a dollar move. That would be our strong entry. And if we look at the diamonds did not open strong. Diamonds opened weak. Again, that 15-minute range was broken, but it stopped at the low of Friday. So when I'm seeing this, there's no dollar move. I'm not in a hurry to enter. A couple of things that could happen is we could play around this area and then reverse. That's a possibility. Or we can just play around this area here, test VWAP and just collapse, right? These are some of the possibilities that I'm looking at. But for now, no rush for entries, specifically as we look at some weakness. But the weakness not really followed through, especially looking at IWM, one of the weaker ones for today. It started strong, but that weakness is going to continue to drive down. I believe it's going to continue to drive down before we see some bottom formed, some level of comfort to continue to move the price back up. So this is how the markets are setting up, and I'll come back and do another video at the end of the day to look at how they actually ended the day. All right, everyone, take care, and I will see you in the next video.